bath times, half times, party times, meeting times, and cooking times. Our water brings Wales to life. It helps 3 million people stay healthy and clean every day. It keeps businesses running smoothly and life flowing along. We're different and proud of it. We're for everyone, not for profit. We're people from every walk of life, all with an opportunity to develop and grow amazing careers. All sharing the benefits of bringing our whole self to work. We're the engineers and scientists, rangers and customer advisors that keep the taps flowing and keep our customers happy. And we're thousands of other incredibly diverse roles with national responsibility and local delivery. All working to the highest standards of satisfaction in a business where safety and care for every colleague is never compromised. We're in every community and for every community. We're Welsh Water, the people with a passion to bring futures to life in a business that brings Wales to life.